Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today again I will be talking to you all about hair and hair care product. Yes, I am back with one more hair care kit, which means one more giveaway. Now there would be a giveaway, so make sure you will be following me on my Instagram. My Insta handle is right here on the screen, and make sure you watch this video till the end for the giveaway to see what products you'll be getting in that. Now I am going to review today this gorgeously packed hair care kit, which is from the brand Bella Estas. So I really love this packaging. Like, look at the colors, look at the feel of this kit. Looks so luxurious and premium. So this kit is designed for severe hair loss and you get 4 products inside. Okay, so these are the 4 products. Now, as I already told you, this hair kit, like all the 4 products, they are designed for severe hair loss problem if you are facing that. So if you are one who is losing 100 to 150 strands roughly per day and also your diet is not proper, then you definitely need this kit. It is specially designed for that. So now let's start with the product one by one. So I have this Bella Estas Virginico hair oil, and this is enriched with a super vitamin E, and it is a unique blend of 8 oils, and this is how the packaging looks like, which I totally love it. So now this is how the product looks like, and it has this spray kind of packaging, which again I really love because it makes it really easy to apply this oil. Like how I apply this oil, I just part my hair, spray it, then again do a partition, spray it like 1 or half pump, that's it. And it is not like you are getting a lot of product out of this spray. No, very little amount of product. Like it is like fully in control, and the quantity that you get is 100 ml, I believe. Yes, this is 100 ml, and everything about the price and where to buy this product, about like the website, everything would be there in the description box, so do not forget to check that. So this has cold pressed virgin coconut oil, fermented argan oil, fermented camellia seed, fermented green tea seed oil, fermented sunflower seed oil, fermented sweet almond oil, lavender oil, and yeah, it has some amazing ingredients which really help to stop hair fall. And also there are some benefits: stimulates the hair growth, it prevents hair fall, it strengthens hair roots, it repairs damage and make hair thicker, stronger, longer and shinier. It makes hair fuller and denser, increases the tensile strength of your hair and removes the split ends. It controls dandruff, it removes frizz. So wow, they are like some promising benefits that this oil is giving. But I use this oil only when I need to shampoo my hair. And also all these products are SLS free, paraben free, free from any harmful chemical that will harm your hair, and they are made up of natural ingredients. And sabse badi baat, these products are made in India. So really good initiative. And let me show you how this oil feels like. Like you can see, you have the controlled quantity. Like I have sprayed just this much and it is like 1 drop only. And yeah, it gives a really good moisturization to your hair. And it is like, the fragrance is like a blend of truly amazing Ayurvedic products. Its fragrance is like that, and it is not overpowering or it is something like people will run away from you. It is not like that. It is very pleasant and soothing kind of fragrance, which I really don't mind. And also it doesn't feel greasy at all. So this is suitable for every type of scalp, like if you have oily scalp or dry scalp or normal, whatever. And it gives every nutrition that hair needs, and it is a super light oil, which I totally love. I don't like heavy oil because I am not the kind of person who is heavy jumpy. So yeah, this is like a very good oil. If you want to try this product, definitely go for this. And now the next product that I have with me is this shampoo. So here it is written, it is an entire hair fall shampoo with unique blend of natural actives, aloe vera and deep ethanol. It prevents hair fall, strengthens hair from the roots, increases hair density, thickness and fullness. And this is how the packaging looks like. So definitely I love the packaging and color scheme of this. Like the oil was in brown, this is a green, this is blue, metallic blue sort of color. So yeah, definitely I'm in love with this. And now let me show you how the product looks from inside. So the bottle is same, just there is a difference of this dispenser. Like nothing has that pump kind of packaging, it has that spray kind of packaging, and it has this lid which opens like this and you can pour out the product. And definitely it comes in really handy, and I just love the fragrance of it. The fragrance is like to die for, and trust me, you will feel the difference in one wash only. It definitely makes your hair smooth and shiny, and you will notice your hair fall control in one wash only. Like I'm saying it for like so many times, but yeah, definitely you must use this shampoo. And if you can see, this is like a very runny shampoo, and you just need 2 pumps of this for your hair. And as every SLS and paraben free shampoo does, it doesn't form great lather. And now its benefits: it is formulated especially with natural actives that promotes natural hair growth. It improves hair health, it reduces hair fall, it reduces hair breakage, it strengthens them. It works to add moisture and luxurious shine to hair. So this, I have already told you that I completely felt the difference in my hair. Like definitely it adds moisture, definitely it adds shine to your hair. Like it was amazing, and you will feel difference in your hair fall, like falling off your hair strands. You will definitely feel the difference in one go only. It is that amazing. And the quantity of this product is 90 ml. I know this is less, but also you need very less amount of this product. Now the third product that I have with me is this anti-hair fall serum, and it is again the unique blend of natural actives. It has onion bulb extract, it has biotin, it has soya protein, it has vitamin A, E and B5. It prevents hair fall, it stimulates hair growth, it increases hair density, thickness and fullness. This is what written on the packaging. Again, SLS free, paraben free, and this is how it looks like. Now, this product is 60 ml, but the bottle is like the size of 100 ml, and this is how much you receive the product. It is not like I have used this much. No, I have used I think just this much, because you need very less quantity of this product. But this is how it comes like, because I think they want to maintain the aesthetic of their packaging, like the bottle size they want to keep it the same, and the product they want to offer is 60 ml. So that's why they kept the size of the bottle same and the product is 60 ml. Initially I thought, where is the remaining product, like where is it? But yes, this is how you get it. It has this dropper kind of packaging which makes it really easy to take out the product. And for my hair length, like it's longer than the shoulder, I just need 2 or 3 drops of this, and yeah, it works wonders. And yes, I am in love with this product. This is like my second favorite product among all. And the fragrance is so good. Fragrance is very natural, kind of like all the blends of awesome and natural ingredients in one bottle. So it is like that kind of fragrance. And the best part about this serum is it has UV ray protection, and the amount of moisturization it provides is insane. Just in a second it tames frizziness. Even if my hair are like dry like this, and I can see some baby hair right here, if you can see, I just touch it on the applicator and warm it in between my fingers and apply it to tame my frizziness. So definitely it works on that as well. It is a lovely product. And now the last product that I have with me is this supplement from Bella Essence. It is the nutritional supplement with multivitamin, multi-mineral and essential amino acids, and everything is written here on the bottle, like the ingredients that you are consuming, and direction is also there, benefits, and it has a total of 20 tablets. You do not have to do anything. Just take a glass of water, like 200 ml, drop 1 tablet, wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that it get dissolved into it, and then just drink that water. It doesn't taste that bad. but doesn't taste that good. So it is like somewhere in between. I can deal with it because it does so many good things to your hair and to your body. So definitely. Now this tablet, like one single tablet, is enriched with so many good nutrients that you can't get for yourself in your daily life. Like, so busy to consume good things. So this comes really in handy when you are not kind of person who want to eat salad or want to like eat good things. You don't have time for that, because it is not like if you think you are using the right product for your hair, then why there is hair fall. Diet is equally important for your hair problems. A good diet helps to cure those hair problems. So yes, you must have a good and healthy diet if you want your skin to look good, or if you want your hair to feel good, look good. You must take a proper diet. But I know, like I'm saying this when I am not able to take that kind of diet because of the busy schedule that we all have. So definitely these kinds of supplements really help. I have so many which I take. This is what I'm consuming on regular basis. So this one tablet provides a good amount of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals that your hair needs to grow, to shine. And it is completely a vegetarian product, so anybody can have this. And it is recommended to take one tablet a day. That's it. And yeah, that's all I have to show you all. These are the 4 products: the oil, the shampoo, the supplements, and the serum. And I will be doing a giveaway on these 3 products. So do check my Instagram and follow me there for more updates about the giveaways, because I have 2 planned for this month of October. And yeah, if you have any other recommendation or any query about these products, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.